What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to view your Valorant stats or get a tracker in-game. So firstly, open Valorant on your PC. Log in with your Riot account and from the main menu, click on Career at the top. Now you'll see your last 10 matches, match score, kill death ratio, agent used, map played, or even performance summary. Well, the limitations are you can only see your last 10 games and no detailed breakdown, first bloods, advanced combat stats, etc. If you want deeper stats, you'll need a third-party tracker. And firstly, to get advanced stats during matches, you can use tracker.gg. Go to the tracker.gg website, download the Valorant Tracker desktop app and install it on your PC. Now open it and sign in with the same Riot ID you use for Valorant and authorize access. Once you connect, the tracker will automatically start collecting your stats. Inside the tracker app, enable the Overwolf overlay and launch Valorant. During matches, press the default hotkey, which is usually Alt+T, to open the overlay. Now you can see real-time match stats, player performance, enemy player ranks, headshot percentage, damage per round, and even win probability. And of course, this will give you a much clearer picture of what agents you perform best with, which maps you struggle on, and whether you need to improve aim, positioning, or teamwork. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.